Hello and welcome you to today's online classroom. I am very excited to begin this class with each of you. Today I am learning Introduction to MS Office. MS Office is an application software designed to word processing, data management, spreadsheet application and making presentation. MS Office is produced in several versions. The original and most widely used version is the desktop version, available for PCs running the Windows, Linux and Mac OS operating systems. Microsoft Office is available in 35 different languages and is supported by Windows, Mac and most Linux variants. Currently, MS Office 2016, the updated version is being used in entire world and all its applications are widely used for professional and personal uses. Currently, MS Office includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Access and OneDrive. Thank you for your contribution in my class. If you interested, like, share and subscribe my channel to get more classes. If you like to study offline, join with Stellar Computer Education Center, Kodagara. Please contact or call our office. Address Stellar Computer Education Center, Kodagara, Thrissur, Kerala. Phone 04802727 136. Mobile 944174195.